All right, like half hour later now, I deleted some videos and pictures and shit on my phone so I can record again. Anyways, I was telling you about my Autocar. I'm putting these on because you know, we got two engines in there instead of one. This is what comes with the truck. It's a 225 or 350, or is it 350 something? Straight six. Cummins. Non-turbo. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. I was saying about the non-turbos. I don't like the turbos so much. Turbos hold back the initial on a go type acceleration of the engine. This way here it goes wah wah. So you take off really fast. You can hit the gas, hit the diesel, hit the diesel and spin them fucking tires. Anyways, I was gonna show you guys. Let's see this thing here. See, let me put these two halves together. See how smooth that line is. I did that one already. Same as these. Can you glue these two halves together? It's hard to do when they're chrome because these usually come chrome, but these come from the Alaskan hauler, and none of the chrome comes chrome. It's all just white plastic, but nice and smooth. I did this thing with the knife, and I was going to show you too with the angle. I did this like in my old channel, but no one ever really said nothing about it. I tried showing people and helping people and just show them how to do things. But there's an angle. You pull it back a little bit, like drag it. You don't want to dig into shit, like cut. You want to drag backwards across. Then you want to use your thumb for control. Boy Scouts say, you don't want to cut into yourself, you got to cut away. I'm like, no, you have no fucking control when you cut away. You go in. When you're modeling is different, whittling or something. You don't cut yourself. You go like this. Anyways, no, I go like this. I just drag my knife along. Anyways, I'm going to do that on probably this one here. So you can actually feel it. Hear it? Hear that? That's the edge where the two pieces glue together. Watch. Try to get this so you can actually see it. And focus too, because focusing is a big issue on some of these phones. You kind of go this way and that way, you gotta make it round, make flats on it, so. Well, you don't have much pressure, just slightly drag it up into the corners and on these. See my angle of the knife? I'm not digging into it, I'm dragging across. And if you have a nice knife, like this one is, it needs a really freaking nice smooth edge. And sometimes you want to dig into it, just kind of up into that little valley right there. Like that. And then like this, up in that little valley, cut into it, up there, but then you go back in and drag it back. Just that real small little edge. And on the ends, I kind of go back and forth across the edge, depending on which way they stick up. You drag that edge across and it cuts it down, smooths it out. You can actually feel it. You not just see it, but you feel it. When I'm doing this, I feel it. If there's resistance there, And I keep dragging, and all of a sudden the resistance disappears. Just like the line. It's like the line disappears. I know all this freaking shit in the background is probably focusing out on everything else, huh? Hmm. Hard to record anything anymore. Modern technology, you know how great it fucking is. Makes it so sweet to fucking do anything. It's like the more advanced they get, the more fucking backwards it becomes. Seriously, they think it's so great and wonderful. It's like it's getting worse and worse and worse. It's like, you know, why can't you just leave it alone? It worked fine. Some of the stuff actually doesn't need improvements, like Google, their photo apps. All their apps need improvement. YouTube needs improvement. Their stupid comment stuff needs improvement. Oh my god. Try to leave a comment, you go back and like it's gone. It's not even there. You leave a comment, you can't even see it. What's with that? You come back weeks later. Oh, there it is finally. No, I think fucking YouTube. They got everything going to some guy on fucking files. Nobody can see nothing until they fucking look through it. And their fucking computers comb through everything. And okay, this can go, this can go, this can stay, this can stay, this can go, that can go. What a bunch of goddamn fucking assholes. They think they control everything that everybody fucking can say and do. That should not be done. But yet their AI system that goes through Google. When I say it, when I say they do it, oh, we don't do that. We can't do that. I know you can't do it, but you do it anyways. And then it says invalid argument. I can't produce words. We can't produce text that says that because we'd be going against ourselves. Yeah, I'd be going against yourselves because you goddamn fucking bunch of fucking hypocrites. Totally. Fucking assholes deleted my fucking channel saying I had pornography, nudity on it. Everybody knows I'd never posted a fucking naked picture. I've never posted a fucking sexual goddamn fucking act of anything. But yet, how many other millions of channels that got sex, 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 sex? They even have women shaving fucking guys' balls and cocks up in the air and fucking pussies. The guy sitting there shaving a fucking pussy. That's okay. Because it's educational. This is educational too! Fucking YouTube. No, fucking delete my fucking channel. It says, but well, unless you're an artist, I had artist on every fucking thing. I said I'm an artist. No matter what the fuck I do, it's art. But no, that don't matter either. We'll delete your channel anyways. Because you know why? Because they're a bunch of fucking assholes. And I'm too Christian for them. I told them they're evil. I told them, I said, all that left-wing shit, and I says, people that hate Trump, I says, they're actually anti-frickin' God, they're antichrist. I says, if you don't like Trump, you're an antichrist. You don't want good to happen. You want fucking goddamn fucking bad to keep happening. You want to be able to keep fucking your little children, I says, and keep fucking posting goddamn fucking child pornography and shit, just like fucking Biden. He likes that shit. He likes sniffing little girls' hairs and shit. People don't see that shit. You know why? Because they keep removing it. People don't see it. There used to be millions and millions of fucking videos that people could see, but no, you can't see it now. You know why? Because the left-wing fucking demonic side, not the righteous side, but the demonic side, which is the left, they removed all that. No, look at the C-SPAN. Look up C-SPAN and all that other stuff that they do on their little visits and stuff. And oh my God, there's a little girl there, and boy, Biden's all over her. Even Pence was slapping his hand one time because he's reaching out to grope some little girl. There's a black guy, really good channel. He's gone. I can't find him no more. He had posted all this stuff. He found everything about it, all on C-SPAN.